Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the mathematics class of 8th standard on practical geometry. In today's video, we'll learn how to construct the quadrilaterals when certain measurements of those quadrilaterals are given. That is, we can construct the quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Case 2, when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Or we can also construct the quadrilateral when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. We can also construct the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. As the last case, when some special properties of the quadrilaterals are given, we can construct them. Let's see the first question of exercise 7.1. Construct the quadrilateral ABCD. AB is given 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm. These 4 are the sides and AC is the diagonal, which is equal to 7 cm. Now, before any construction, it is always better we draw a rough sketch and mark the measurement, which will help us in drawing the actual diagram. Using the data given, let's draw a rough sketch. It's a quadrilateral, so let me draw a quadrilateral and name it as ABCD because the name given is ABCD. ABCD. They have also given a diagonal which is AC. So let me draw this diagonal also, which is AC. AB is 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. The rough sketch need not have the actual measurements. Remember, it is just the rough sketch. It is not, this distance is not actually 5.5. That we are going to do when we do the real construction. What about CD? It is 4 centimeter and AD is 6 centimeter. The diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. Now looking at this diagram, we will draw the actual quadrilateral. First, we'll begin with the base, that is 4.5, which is equal to AB. Draw a line segment AB, which is 4.5 centimeter. Let's mark it as AB, which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now, I know the distance AC and BC. We will first take an arc of 7 centimeter. With A as center, draw the arc which is 7 centimeter. Now adjust the compass to this distance, that is BC, which is equal to 5.5. Now BC is 5.5. Keeping the B as center, draw one more arc. It should cut our previous arc, and this intersecting point is nothing but C. Now let's join BC and AC. Half of our quadrilateral is over. Next we need to draw these two lines. What is the distance of AD? 6 centimeter. What about this distance? That is 4 centimeter. Now adjust the arc to 6 centimeter. Keeping A as center, draw the arc. The distance of this arc is 6 centimeter. Now CD will be 4 centimeter. So we have got the CD, which is equal to 4 centimeter. With C as center, draw one more arc. But it had to cut our previous arc, isn't it? In this case, it did not cut because I have drawn it from this side. So no problem. Again, you adjust this to 6 centimeter and extend this arc so that it will cut. Now, this intersecting point, which is equal to D now. This is D point. So you join AD and CD. Now ABCD is the required quadrilateral according to this measurement. The second question you can try it by yourself because it's similar to the first one. 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, but the name of the quadrilateral is JUMP. The third question is to draw a parallelogram called MORE. The measurement given are OR is equal to 6 cm, RE is equal to 4.5 cm and EO which is equal to 7.5 cm. Now the case which we had seen was given 4 sides and 1 diagonal, we should draw the quadrilateral. But you might be wondering why only 2 sides are given. Is it possible for us to draw a quadrilateral with this data? But we know the property of a parallelogram. The property of the parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel. So if they give you one side, the opposite side will also be 6 cm. So if they give one more RE which is equal to 4.5, the opposite of this side is also 4.5. So here also we know 4 sides and 1 diagonal. First let's draw a rough diagram. Let me name it as MORE. What are the measurements given? OR is equal to 6 cm. OR is 6 cm. RE which is equal to 4.5 cm. EO, that's a diagonal, which is equal to 7.5 cm. Once I know OR, the measurement of ME will also be 6 cm. This is the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. If RE is 4.5, then MO is also 4.5 cm. So I have 4 sides and 1 diagonal. We'll draw the actual quadrilateral. First we'll begin with the base which is equal to 6 cm. Draw a line segment of 6 cm. What is the name given here? OR 6 cm. Now we'll draw this triangle. This side is 7.5, this is 4.5. So using the compass and the scale, adjust the arc to 4.5 cm. Keeping R as the center, draw the arc. Now with O as center, I have to draw one more arc whose length is 7.5. The arc of 7.5 with O as center, draw the arc so that it will cut the previous arc. This intersecting point is E. Now join RE and OE. Next we are left with 2 more sides, that is 4.5 and 6. Adjust the arc to 4.5 with O as center. Draw the arc and now with arc of measure 6 cm. With E as center, draw one more arc which will cut the previous arc. This intersecting point will be called as M. Now you join OM and ME. MORE is the required parallelogram. The fourth question is to draw a rhombus called BEST, where BE is given which is equal to 4.5 cm and ET is 6 cm. Only one side is given, but we know the property of rhombus that all the sides are equal. So all 4 sides you take it as 4.5 and diagonal ET is 6 cm. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.